Do you want to know some design tips that interior designers do in their homes all the time? I'm Jamer Brown, designer and color expert for Daisy Bennett Designs, and I create and design beautiful murals, colorful wallpapers, and fabrics. You can instantly transform a space with color just using patterns on pillows. Always start with a bigger pillow at the end. And so I've picked the master pattern as a banana leaf print. Then I put it with a stripe, and then I put a little flame stitch with it. Now this size is an 18 by 18, so it's smaller than this, which is 20 by 20. And then of course we have 22 by 22. So that's the other rule. You always go down by 2 inches on pillows. So it sort of gradiates on your couch, looks right, and fits perfectly together. Pro tip, always do the chop. Pull in the corners, and as you can see, nice, styled perfection. If you want more ideas, please go to daisybennettdesigns.com, and don't forget, our pillows are on my website, just in case we've inspired you. So go bold and put some color and pattern in your home.